So finally, it's time for some insulation. So I'm about to set up my little contraption here for filling up the walls. Got the flex hose, and then I got a 2-inch PVC pipe.
We bought a hoarder house, and after getting all their stuff out, we still have work to do.
So we got the machine from Home Depot, raggedy as hell. I had to make a little connection here with a PVC pipe, then another little connection here. Even though the machine say it's supposed to come with the connectors, they talking about they ain't got none. So I hate going to that location, but we got it in here. We did a little test wall right here. So this boy in there nice and packed. Feel like a nice little pillow. I think I might hit the ceilings first though. Then we gonna bounce back and then fill up these walls. It did start going a little quicker once we pulled out the little adjustable plate right there. You can pull that out, but I think the ARTTT machine is a little better because you can stuff the whole bat in that boy and it'll cut the bag open for you and slice the insulation. This here, we gotta slice it by hand and then stuff it in there. And you see the hose came off the bottom. They don't give you no clamp. I had to use some duct tape to tape that on there. Like, come on now. If I'm paying for the whole tool rental, give me the whole equipment that come with it. They only...
Y'all wonder why people steal, because y'all steal.
Also, how you gonna steal from me and be mad when people steal from you?
Man.
Come on, make it make sense. All right, so we filling her up. Sticking it down into these cavities. We did have a clog issue. Had to take all this crap apart. I think it's filling that pretty quick too. Yep, let's go. We got enough insulation to not be cheap. There we go. The next hole. Hold up, babe. I think it's probably getting clogged up here. Uh-oh, come on now. Come on now. Boy, be getting clogged. Make sure you shake this hose. Wonder if he gotta be loading up more down there. But you see, I got the cavities filled up. Got 2 more to fill up over here, then I'm gonna blow the rest all around in here. All right, so we getting her filled up. Almost there. I want it nice and thick. Get some nice R value.
Turn me up, Jay.
Type of way. Shawty say she love me and that's straight. You can follow them because I'm going the other way.
Alright, so lost my hip, so now I'm by myself. Like always, but I ain't tripping, so I'm about to hand unload this here. I'm just gonna fill this machine up and then pretty much just go up there and let it blow. I need to probably be pulling up. Always be ready to do stuff by yourself, because you never know when you gotta do it yourself. I'm about to get to it. I'm used to doing this by myself anyways. We're gonna knock it out and keep it moving. Find a way to do it yourself if you ain't got no help, because it is possible. So just keep moving and do what you gotta do.
It's only been like 20 minutes maybe, and I already ran through 3 bags. So I think the key is the feet is small. But I got it just running up here. Let's see what it look like. Look, filling out.
So that was what, 3 bags right there. That's cool though. Y'all see, we almost there. I still want to put that more thicker for real, so it can be the same height as that back room back there. We still just got a little bit more to go. So I'm gonna keep letting this blow out. I really want this thicker over here, because that cold air from that cross ventilation right there, that's gonna be something. So I'm gonna let this go load up another bag. Keep letting this just blow. I'm gonna let it fall on this side over here. There's always a way you can do it yourself for sure. Some people will give up and be like, oh, I ain't got no help, so I ain't gonna do it. But that ain't me. I'm gonna create some help. Find a way to do this myself. Y'all see it coming through the line. It's blowing good. So I'm just gonna let that fill up, go load up some more, so we can keep moving and grooving. Oh, empty. You gotta kind of break this up with your hand, crumble it up, and let it fall in there. So I'm trying to hurry up, fill this up, but then go up there and run through that hole. Everything looking good. I put a nice pile right here so I can sweep it over when I put this piece of drywall back here. So this little spot is gonna be my access to get up here. I just need to cut out this hole right here, and then I need to measure it so I can put a cover. Everything now finished it by myself. I'm not gonna lie, I would go a little higher than this, but I want to make sure I still got enough insulation for the walls too. I'll hit a whole bunch up here. I don't think we got empty bags, so. Went down my ladder. This is a messy job. There's insulation everywhere. And it started raining. This is a slow machine right here. Good thing that machine was slow. Okay, it's clear. But good thing that machine was slow because I was able to do it by myself, which is cool. Still got a nice stack of insulation there. A little pile in here. Oh, we got a whole bunch in here, so we should be good. So I gotta fill up these walls. I was blowing the insulation in the cavity. All of it blew out. That's like a whole bag probably. I thought I was filling up this wall. Turns out I was filling up this. So see some of that spray foam coming out. When I was filling up that cavity, it was filling that in. I should have put that drywall up there so I could finish blowing that, but that should be cool. I'm just gonna smooth that out. I'm gonna grab me something to drink and then figure out what I'm gonna do next. I fill these walls in from up top. Probably can be a little thicker for real. This look good. Nice pillow going on in here. Couple blowouts right here. But that drywall should press that in. This little cavity right here didn't get filled. Must have not been no opening at the top. But I know these filled. Hollow. Solid. Hollow. Solid. Let me get me some drink in my system. Alright y'all, the next day, maxed up. Got my goggles because I didn't have those on yesterday. But what I'm doing right now is going around and I'm slicing cuts inside of the netting so it'll be easier for me to just poke it and keep going. I'm just taking this blade, just making a slit. These I really don't need to because I can just stick that up there. So I'm gonna leave that alone. Not too big, just big enough for that 2-inch pipe to go in there. All right, so I'm about to set up my little contraption here for filling up the walls. I got the flex hose and then I got a 2-inch PVC pipe. So this fits right inside of here. So I'm just gonna take this up and then this will allow me to pretty much stick this like in the hole, like so, and then stick it up in the wall and fill up the cavity. And I'm gonna try to do that by keep hitting this button over here, figure out how long it takes to fill up the wall, and then see if I can get to that button quick enough to turn it off. Because I'm working by myself, but hopefully I get some help that come. My dude D-Bones will be pulling up, so that'd be cool if he comes in. I ain't gotta be running back and forth like I was doing yesterday with this ceiling. Either way, we're gonna get it done, so I ain't tripping. About to mask up. See my little contraption? I'm putting this 2-inch pipe inside of here, and then I got some duct tape. I'm about to just tape this up around here, and then I got pretty much my blower chute. Probably don't need it this long. If I stick it up in the wall, yeah I do, because it'll go all the way up to the ceiling. So I'm just gonna take this little tip on here. Even though at Home Depot, or at least online on Home Depot, it say it's supposed to come with like a metal pole, just for if you're doing sidewalls. And of course, the people at the Home Depot I went to, they're clueless, talking about they ain't got no extra pieces. They at least supposed to have a little jumper piece in between these hoses, so the hose will get connected. They ain't give me that. That location really sucked for real. Not only that, this machine, the wire is hanging out of there, and honestly, it's a big safety issue. It didn't click to my head that I really should have left that machine there. Look how this wire is hanging out. And I done wrapped it with some drywall paper because I don't have no electrical tape on me. But this wire is supposed to have a connector on here around this hole right here to keep that wire solid. But this wire is loose as hell and it's pulling out, and that's a big safety issue. All it takes is a little wiggle and touch this metal machine right here and electrocution. So that's like extremely dangerous. I really should be taking it back, but I know they're gonna charge me for a full day. So I'm just gonna go ahead and use this. I put tape around it, or paper around it. So move, bro. So we don't have no issues. But we about to go ahead and fill up the bags in here. I'm gonna do one bag at a time, like half a bag, and see how much the wall cavity take. And we're gonna go from there. Don't forget to like this video one time, man. Like this video for all the people that gotta do stuff by themselves. You know what I'm talking about? I could have Ray come here, but she busy editing videos. I want her to stay doing that because if she over here helping me all the time, then our videos ain't getting edited and put up. So stuff about to start moving a little bit smoother though. We gotta grab another laptop and then we be able to chop these videos up. But we so much behind with these videos, like by the time you see this video, we probably on to the next house already. We probably got a bunch more videos with that. We gotta start moving quicker. We got a plan down pat, so let's just get to it.
Going after goals, I ain't got no time to waste. Sitchy getting sticky, but I still keep the pace. Trying to beat me when I never called the race. Thought it was real love, turned out the shit was fake. Can't up my motion. Cruise, now we coasting. Make my own wave like a boat that's in the ocean. Get took by the tide, but you gotta stay focused. Losing the track of time, I leave you wide open. People owe me money, try not to involve the K. Wanna keep it a beam, but they lying to my face. Please don't take for weak, my other side don't play. Just watch how you move, cause we're from a small place. Shawty say she love me, and that's straight. You can follow them because I'm going the other way. Chasing after paper, trying to redirect the way. I'll just make my own while y'all trying to follow way.
All right, so I got it blowing in the wall right now. Gear it up here. Super messy job.
That's my type of way. Making money while I'm sleep, nah, that's my type of pay. Hustle hard but keep it discreet or they gon' try to take. That's why the throw away. Nah,
So this D first time blowing it. Yeah, that's cool. That one should go quick. That's a good look. Shout out to my D for pulling up on time.
I was late. He's lying.
Yeah, it was late to the motherfucker, but it's better than not coming. I gotta just blow this ceiling right here. So we gotta pop off this panel and then blow this ceiling. Everything nice and stuff though. It look creepy for real. Look like a rat was in the wall. Actually might have to. That bitch might not fit through this shit they got. I encourage people, like, you about to spend that much, go ahead and buy 2 families. You live in 1 unit, even though some people don't want to live over people. You live in 1 unit, they literally paying your note. You living in that bitch free for a certain amount of years. And dip off, go get another crib. Now you got a 2 family. You got your first rental.
Right now, I've been wanting to put money into this house and try to get it off me and see what I can do. It's gonna be cold in the winter or hot as in the summer. So that's how you know it. Insulation ain't as good as it need to be.
Instead of them doing this, like put insulation in the house, there, where to put the AC in. But the AC ain't doing it because there's still no insulation.
Right.
So that's going right out the window.
So for us, right, our upstairs, whatever the weather is outside, it's +5 or -5, whatever. If it's 30 degrees, it's 10 degrees. If it's 80, it's 100 up there.
Yeah. Oh. That's an attic for you though.
It's just like how this looks. My attic looks just like this.
Come look at it for you. All right, do the same thing.
Start insulating everything.
Yep. Can't know how many bags. So you'll get that machine for free. With a rental of it, you'll get it for free. This is like 3 pallets. All right, we finally got it done. Shout out to my D for pulling up and helping me finishing up. And now I gotta hurry up and run this machine back.
Are they overcharging?
They try to charge me for another day. We're gonna have some issues. We are back. The next day, turned the machine, everything went cool. The walls is nice and stuff. So now I gotta come through and clean all this mess up. And it's definitely a big mess. Not worried about it though. Look at that interior wall insulated. All the exterior is insulated. Definitely wanted to insulate this in between this wall right here. Super insulated. It's gonna be nice and warm house. I even put insulation behind this wall right here by the toilet. Even though I got 5/8 on the other end, still want this to be silent. I want to hear nobody fart. Even stuffed it in there too. And got to get that out of there. So yeah, but now I'm about to get to clean this up. I gotta go get some bags. I done left the dang on bags at home. Might just run home and grab them. Nice and stuff though. Oh, I forgot this wall. Man, how did I forget this wall? The door must have been open. It's cool. So my plan with this insulation that's left over that's on these floors and stuff, my plan is to wrap them in plastic, just like that one wall that I missed. I'm sorry that I even missed that, but there's 2 walls in there that I missed, 2 slots. So I think what I'm gonna do is stuff them in a bag and then pretty much insert them in the wall, kind of like making my own back. I think that's what I'm gonna do, because I ain't going to get that machine again. I ain't about to stuff this by hand either, because that's just gonna be messy unless I find another way. Let me know down below what other way would y'all like stuff the inside of this wall if you don't have the machine. But I need to go get some bags so I can clean all this stuff up, and then I gotta close up all these gaps and stuff, finish up this drywall, because the mud guys, they ready to come in. Insulation set up pretty good. I know people might wonder why I got insulation up there, because it need to be vented, but these don't have soffit vents here. We got cross ventilation from there to there, and we also got ridge vent ventilation. This is the spot I was talking about for the access panel. I'm just gonna make a whole little panel for there, and then just drop a whole piece in. And then with that, I'm just gonna build like a little fluff on top with some insulation, and then it'll sit here and insulate this part here. But we won't be back up here. While I was here, I did some quick cleaning in the backyard. That still need like an overhaul. So yeah, and also breaking in my new boots too. So these boys pretty cool. But to the house I go.
On the mission, hustling, trying to get it. So I'm hustling for mine, yeah. So watch me go and get it. My daughter needs tuition or a new family business. So I'm hustling for mine, yeah. So watch me go and get it. These people won't get it. Making designer rich. So I'm hustling for mine, yeah. So watch me go and get it. I don't see competition. I just see tunnel vision. So I'm hustling for mine, yeah. So watch me go and get it.
Everything cleaned up for the most part. Got them all in these plastic bags. Definitely was a big old mess. So now I'm about to go outside and eat my lunch, because I'm starving. Like my name was Marvin. And then we're gonna come back in and really get to patching these holes and putting up the drywall. So let's get straight to it. Let me go put some food in my belly though, for real.